Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be testing the assert true. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. Welcome to our unit test series. So if you are new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do micro videos. So let's just look at where in the world, I always get that wrong. So we did unit test and we bring that in and we have all of this. But I want to show you all. We're going to touch on a few. We did assert equals. I really want to show you assert true right now. But first, let's look at really all of the asserts. So we have unit, and then just show you what we're pulling up, test case. So capital test, capital case, then we run it. Oh my goodness. Okay. Here's all the assertions you can. We're not going to touch on all of them, but I'm just going to show you how to use the ones that I think you'll probably use first, and then once you get the hang of it, you'll be able to go into it. So first one we did assert equal, right? That's pretty self-explanatory. Now, if you look very carefully here, we're going to skip over minus, and because that's going to be equal as well. And then we're going to need to add some for equal, almost equal. So we'll deal with that soon. But this is a test. Would be a Boolean test, right? So we need to test. So you see false there. So of course it's in alphabetical order. So assert true. So let's just go ahead and get after it. So def dot, and what are we testing? We're going to be test upper. So let's get everything. Test underscore upper, then self, close that out, then self dot assert true. Now what are we testing? Remember, my class, then dot upper. Then what are we going to pass it? We're going to pass it Sam. Then close that out, and then what are we expecting? Capital SAM, because it's the upper method. So here we go. Let's see, man, I'm living everything right. And two tests. Now, remember how I said last time that we had one dot, we ran one test? Now we have, let's see. Perfect. So I was in a hurry last time. This is exactly why you run tests. Because look at what I did. I passed in S, and then I'm augmenting X. Well, where is X coming from? So this is why you build, if I can type S, this is why you build tests. So, all right. Save, then come back over here and run. Boom. 2 dots, 2 tests, 0 E's. See over here we got 1 error, we get an E up here, dot, and an E. So that was completely unintentional, but a perfect example of what in the world is supposed to happen. Testing 2 methods, I get 2 dots, 2 tests, and 2 tests return. So there we go. That is assert true. And we're just going to dip our toe into a few more and then wrap this up. So if there is a assert method that you're not quite sure, drop it down in the comments down below. Because I've done 2 more, and maybe if there's a third that we really can't wrap our head around, or jump over to the Discord server. We have a lot of great things going on over there, really good conversations, some really cool projects that some folks are working on. But as always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're hitting that subscribe button, notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up for me. So thanks as always, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.